Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
My friend, today I want to tell you something very important. If you don't think about yourself, no one else will. We spend our whole life trying to make others happy, trying to impress others, trying to be accepted by others, but we forget one person, ourselves. And that is the biggest mistake of life. Today's lesson is simple. Think about yourself always, not selfishly, but wisely. From childhood, we are taught respect others, help others, think about family, think about society. These are good things. But nobody teaches us respect yourself, protect your dreams, protect your peace, protect your time. So what happens? We say yes when we want to say no. We stay where we are not valued. We love people who helped us. We work for others' dreams and forget our own. Slowly, we lose ourselves. And one day we wake up tired, confused, and empty. Listen carefully. Thinking about yourself is not selfish, it is self respect. Selfish means helping others for your benefit. Thinking about yourself means not hurting yourself for others' comfort. You can love others, but never more than your own mental peace. You can help others, but not by destroying your own future. You can care, but not at the cost of your own happiness. Three things you must always think about. 1. Your mental peace. If something disturbs your peace, question it. If someone disrespects you again and again, distance yourself. Peace is more valuable than money, relationships, popularity. A calm mind is true success. 2. Your time. Time is your life. If you waste time pleasing people who don't care, you are wasting your future. Ask yourself, is this helping me grow? Is this worth my energy? Is this moving me forward? If not, let it go. 3. Your dreams. Nobody will fight for your dreams except you. People will laugh. People will doubt. People will discourage. But remember, they are not living your life. You are. Your dream is your responsibility. Protect it. Learn to say no. This is hard but powerful. Say no when you feel uncomfortable, you feel used, you feel disrespected, you feel drained. Saying no doesn't make you bad, it makes you strong. Weak people fear rejection, strong people choose self respect. Stop expecting from everyone. Expectation is the root of pain. When you expect too much from people, you give them power over your happiness. Instead, trust yourself, depend on yourself, build yourself. The more you rely on yourself, the less you get disappointed. Invest in yourself. Think about yourself by learning new skills, reading books, improving health, saving money, building confidence. Your body is your home. Your mind is your engine. Your future is your responsibility. No one will do this for you. You were born alone. You will walk alone. At the end of the day, people come and go. Situations change. Friends change. Even family cannot walk your entire journey. So build yourself so strong that with people you are happy. Without people you are still strong. We must learn to listen to our heart. Our heart tells us when we are tired, when we are hurt, and when we need rest. Ignoring these feelings makes life happy and stressful. But when we take care of our mind, we feel calm and confident. It is important to remember that The most important relationship in our life is the relationship with ourselves. If we lose ourselves while trying to please others, we lose our true happiness. Real love and real respect start from inside us. One day you will understand loving yourself was never wrong. Choosing yourself was never selfish. Protecting your peace was never rude. You don't need to prove your worth to anyone. You don't need approval to be valuable. You don't need permission to grow. Think about yourself always, because if you don't, life will use you. Be kind, but be wise. Be loving, but be strong. Be helpful, but don't forget yourself. If this lesson touched your heart, remember one thing: your life matters, your dreams matter, you matter. Start thinking about yourself today. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who needs this message, and subscribe for more life lessons. Thank you for listening.